need to learn how guys.
Crop tee, tight jeans, she bad like me. I'm feeling her, she feeling me. Write songs by her, in her diary me. She's what I want, I'm what she needs. Shawty wanna rock star, nigga, go figure. Live life out with me, count figures. Picasso couldn't paint a better picture. Colossal, you got a young nigga thinking bigger. PYT, take pics, no filter. Wanna fuck with me?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been long I did a vlog, so yeah. My name is Josephine. If you're new here, if you're not new here, hi, welcome back home. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you actually end up enjoying this video for more content like this. But if you are not new here, yeah, you can just, anyways, it's been a while, almost a month since I posted a vlog. My sisters and some of our friends just like took, like, let's say 1 day mini staycation, if you want to call it that. We rented an apartment. I was supposed to be going to the beach after just to relax, and that's basically it. Yeah. So right now at the apartment, I was supposed to start this vlog since for laziness. Laziness. So I want to do an apartment tour. Get the phone. Yeah, I know the houses. Anyway, so I want to do the room tour. I want to do like an apartment tour now, so you guys see what it's like. It's actually very cute. Let's start from the door, like I always see online. Let's start from the door. Once we go in, so this is basically, I think it's the toilet. Mirror, outfit check. Anyway, so this is the first room.
Crop tee, tight jeans, she bad like me. I'm feeling her,
very cute,
she feeling me. Write songs by her, in her diary me. She's what I want, I'm what she needs. Shawty wanna rock star, nigga, go figure. Live life out with me, count figures. Picasso couldn't paint a better picture. Colossal, you got a young nigga thinking bigger. PYT, take pics, no filter. Wanna fuck with me cause she said I'm realer. Triller, groove out Dilla. Ape shit, King Kong, go gorilla. Making love out in the villa. And she let me know the real. Her take on 9 lives, don't mind whiskers. Give you all my careless whispers. Do not disturb, take no visitors. Rockstar shakes, bad vibe inhibitors. Like how these, they cannot sit with us. Give you mind and body stimulus. Vibing on the cloud, no cumulus. Prom party, just the two of us. Can't handle, don't know what to do with us. Rockstar ain't nothing moving us. Fuck the world, ain't got nothing to do with us. Fuck them, it'll never be two of us. Bull gum come through and chew it up. Trophy got you, then I took a dub. Crop tee, tight jeans, she bad like me. I'm feeling her, she feeling me. Write songs by her, in her diary me. She's what I want.
Why is this cap not spinning? Anyways, we are going to the beach and now. How do we lock this place? Okay. How do we not find our way out? Are you vlogging? No.
Everybody got opinions. I'm so sick of trying to please them. I don't mean to get defensive, but I've been feeling kind of fearless. I want dangerous attention, and I really couldn't care less, no. Hopelessly so awkward, but I don't regret it. I don't regret it. That's the whiskey talking, but I don't regret it. I don't regret it. No, I don't give a fuck what other people want, yeah. I'ma live it up tonight. Might get a little drunk, like call my ex up, mascara running from my eyes. They say I'm acting dumb, but I'm just having fun. I'll happily ruin my life. No, I don't give a fuck what other people want. I'm back on my bullshit, back on my bullshit. Yeah, I used to get all tired of let the rain put on my fire. Now I'm feeling like Rihanna. Ella, making a mess of emotions and liquor. Tears on my cheeks and they sparkle like glitter. Making a mess of emotions and liquor. Tears on my cheeks and they sparkle like glitter. Hopeless.
but do you know what we need to learn from
I don't
them?
trust Lagos.
We need to learn
I
from them.
know.
Do you know that a guy in Lagos can have a girlfriend and a side chick? He will tell the side chick, I have a babe. The side chick will still. Can a girl tell her boyfriend, you are my boyfriend, I have a side nigga? Learn audacity from men. That's the beginning of wisdom. Audacity. Make it clear.
And that one too will follow you to be doing hiding from the other chick. I swear.
Because the side chick will be like, she knows that the guy has a girlfriend, and you'll be proud to be side chick. But if you have a boyfriend, your boyfriend be proud.
Survival of the fittest.
Let me do bad thing last year because of blocking money. There was this guy that I was dating, and a friend of mine now ended up seeing his picture and was like, oh, she knows this guy and his girlfriend. Ended up finding out he had a girlfriend that was in Port Harcourt.
No, but Meta, but you don't.
I didn't know at all.
Meta is casted to me, and I don't even talk to Meta in school. Girl, you know that thing that day that I came to do my hair. That I came to do twisting. We had that issue. Like Meta stays to men, not just. You don't need to do your due diligence.
Leave Igbo men alone.
You just tell
Leave Igbo men alone.
No,
not the broke ones.
before you date somebody, you have to do due diligence.
We agree to we don't get money, I won't give person money.
If you shake me like this, not to go.
Let's go come back.
And we can go to
the restaurants on the street now.
People are still hungry.
Yes. Because your boyfriend bought you spaghetti.
It's not a good boyfriend.
I don't know.
They bought it for her to cry back to call her down.
Thank God I don't come out on time. Even though they have not bought it.
As in,
Yes, we are here.
You know they owe me money and they embarrass people.
see, damn me money.
Anything, boy.
Yes, of course. Chat, I gave this on my phone to vlog. Not like so when they come. I should use my phone like me. I don't know how to use my phone to use that phone to call and then use my phone to vlog. Hi guys. Voila, very soon we'll get this man. We'll get this man in this Lagos. We'll get this man in this Lagos and you will know him back. I have a little fan with this flash. Round 2. We did here. We did secure for 1 day. So I don't like it now. I need to secure. Your bikini has given me with my face. I don't know that. Let me just find the floor. Where is the mom I break on with the movie? Let's go back to the apartment. The struggle was real. The struggle to get in here was real. They locked us out. It wasn't even funny. So we're inside now. And shut up, you have started. It's not too late for us. We're inside now, Sha. Want to eat because we are starving. We're hungry. I want to take off this wig because it's pressing my head. Hi guys, good morning. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know where my microphone is. I don't have strength or my glasses. But anyways, it's the next day obviously. And we are tired as fuck. Most of us have already gone home. We are packing, the rest of us are packing our shit. So we'll soon go. Check out time is 12 PM and this is currently like after 9. So we'll soon pack our shit and leave. And go back to our boring lives. So yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Metaba is still making TikTok. I don't know if that girl is tired. She was woke up this morning, wore clothes and 1 week and started making TikTok. I don't even know if she doesn't get tired, but I am so tired. This is the first time I've ever done something like this actually. I've never had a girls' night out with my friends. I think I've had one before, though not my friends, it was for a pageant. But I've never had a girls' night out with my friends. And just us girls slept out like sleepover. That's not in our father's or mother's house. that kind of thing. I don't really have much friends. My sister's a family friend and their friends. So and then and Jennifer. So, but it was very fun. I had so much fun. I enjoyed my stay here. They were very receptioning, I guess that's what it is. Yeah, this was really nice and cute. And naturally, the aesthetics is everything. I love the aesthetics. Very cute. Anyways, so yeah, I want to go back home. I don't want to go back home. Whatever. You can see it's my eye that I am tired. You can see it. So tired. Ugh. My skin glowing this morning. Why? Oh, please, why is my skin glowing this morning? Actually, why is my skin glowing? Since I got my ATM card, look at this in my eyes. Look at the slip in my eye. Wow. Hi guys, so we are done.
Yes, don't put in this one. The next bit they are very beautiful.
Yes, Peter said. Hi guys, so we are done and we are about to go home. I'm ending this vlog here because I think that's the point. This is and so the more I
We had fun.
I'm calling the guy, remember you talk to him. Anyways, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. I'm really grateful for all your support. And thank you for 500 subscribers. For everybody that watches my video, but thank you, I'm really grateful. Stop looking at me like that. Why they look me? Oh, okay. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.